be about my Porsche or something else, but Porsche of course will be included in the vlog because I'm already on my way to my brother, and today is packing day, and we are going to race. Actually, the brother have a racing weekend, so I'm going to help him out, and now I'm on the way to load the car, maybe wash my car, and I will try to go to Estonia with the Porsche to see how people will react on my build. Alright, so we are at the gas station, did a quick stop. Everything runs well, Porsche is doing good. One thing that it's super noisy, as I forgot to install the silencer, but I put on the AirPods and everything well, like a luxury car with a good music and some vibrations in the back, but it's alright. Let's eat some hot dogs, jump back in the car and keep moving to our racetrack. We are pretty close to the border, some small construction works on the road, need to stay in line to wait to pass the bridge. It's still an hour and 11 minutes to go, 90 kilometers. Finally I can open the window, breathe a bit cooler air, because in Porsche it's pretty damn hot because I don't have an AC, and unfortunately my temperature is rising time to time. I don't saw it before, maybe because it's a hotter day, and yeah, it rises till next mark, and then I think fans turn on and temperatures fall. So yeah, I was a bit confused when I saw that it's going over the next line. I was like, wow, what to do, turn on the heater while we driving. You can watch previous episode here or there, don't remember which corner, actually not episode, but on board from the first race. Yeah, last race I was unable to film something because I was going from the middle of the day away, and yeah, so check on board, it was actually pretty nice. So I hope that this racing episode will be some new stuff for all you my subscribers, and time to time we will have those race weekends, and you will have some footage from something different. Hope you will like. If you like already this episode, give a thumbs up in advance, appreciate that, and we are moving over the bridge. Everywhere probably. So now let's park. Oh, I already see a cool Porsche there, so let's see what's we have here. Stay tuned, a lot of cool stuff I think is coming up. Alright, so we arrived. You guys are slamming the pedals, Porsche trainings are on the way, so now we need to unpack, park the cars and go for scrutineering. it looks like we are done for today. Unfortunately, we still don't know the groups for tomorrow because guys are still arriving and registering. So looks like it's a wrap for today. We will go to the city to eat something because I'm super hungry. And yeah, till tomorrow. Good morning. We already going to the track. Actually, maybe to breakfast. Slept well. Yesterday was super chilly, and we didn't expect it that at the seaside will be cold. We are at the racetrack already, setting up the last things, and yeah, set up the tent, unloaded the cars. So now we need to prepare small things here and there, clean the camera, and yeah, I also purchased the cleaning towel because the car is super dirty, and also we need to get ready for the free practices. Everyone's doing something, also Latvian guys as the neighbors. Sun is shining. Today will be a hot day. Stay tuned. Is getting ready for the first practice. Only one practice went straight to the qualifications because due to the crash everything was postponed. Every group have one practice only. Fingers crossed for a good racing. Alright, so unfortunately something happened. We didn't saw that, but we have a pretty heavy hit in the back door. So in a couple of minutes we will see, because now it's parked for me. Here's the Vadim. He's slick.
Bet kādas emocijas? Nestādoties priekšā.
A kur salikās?
Man liekas, ka šeit bija.
Pirmajā, jā? Jā, nu tā izskatās, jā.
Šarējā aizgāja.
Bet pirmā apļa bija 11.
Viņš arī, vienreiz kur sapusos ļoti stulbi, varēja, man bija tempiņš, es varēju.
And here we are at the paddock. We can see a damage. Side skirt went off somewhere. So race weekend is over for us, unfortunately. Porsche crash, which was happened just after end of the BMWs. Pretty expensive crash, I think. So comment below what you think about this crash. So now we're packing and going back to the Airbnb to stay for the night and leaving tomorrow. Maybe also tomorrow we will see some races. We'll see how the evening goes. And this is the end of day 2. See you in day 3. So second day of racing is over. We are going back home because unfortunately brother didn't make it to the finals even with the last chance race. Was hit in the first turn. Still was managing to fight for 11th place, but unfortunately I think something was maybe wrong with the car, because some guys was really passing by him really easily without any kind of problems and obstacles. So yeah, race weekend is over for us, but still we will go for tomorrow. All right, so day 3 is on. We are already at the track. Drop the car really quick here because just in a couple minutes BMW race will start, so we want to see the first battles on the first turn. So let's go and see what happened on the first turn. Alright, so second BMW race is getting ready for the start. So in a couple minutes they will start the second race, the final race, and we'll see how guys will fight for the place. Last race we'll see, and then long way home, and the race weekend will be over. And I hope you enjoyed this episode, and of course don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will try to do such a racing weekends when we will go racing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in next episode from the race day. Alright, finally made it back home. Something happened actually on the way with the alternator or something else, I don't know. I need to check it out. So I was driving, I was low on fuel, so just passed the border. There was another gas station, so I stopped to fill up the tank, and the car just died. I was unable to crank it up. I don't know why, because voltmeter showed the normal voltage more than 12, around 13. And if you maybe know the issue, where to find it, so comment down below. But yeah, I was lucky that my friend was nearby and pushed me, and I started the car and everything, and then I started to monitor the voltage, and unfortunately when I turn on the lights it falls pretty low, but still normal, I think, a bit more than 12. I don't know what's happening. Need to check the wiring, maybe need to go and check also the alternator. We'll see. Need to go back to garage. Hope I will start the car now. And yeah, so made it back home safely. I tried to shut all the electronics during the drive to save energy, to maybe charge up a bit battery, but I don't think so it helped, because time to time it showed well a voltage, time to time bad. Finally back home from the race weekend. If you like the new content on the channel, you can comment below what you like, what you didn't like, so maybe I will go to a Porsche build. And don't forget to comment below if you like such a new content on the channel. Of course, like and subscribe to the channel to see another race weekends or a new episode of Life at Porsche. Thanks guys for watching, hope you like it. See you next episode.